Always lay it out dry. So today I made the standard blocks you get in the block store. This is Leka block with the blown airy balls mixed with concrete, so it makes nice light blocks. And this is the standard stone for driveways and stuff like that. This is a glass block. I drew it with standard size, then I halved it, so this is in half size. This is the opening I want to block up, so then it's easy to play around in Sketchup to see what fits. Just a move tool. See one block goes there. Next one goes there. Now I don't leave a gap for concrete, so keep that in mind. You need to make some room for that. So yeah, the opening is room for another one, so that's good. Now I want to see where I can put the glass blocks. I think we're gonna... Yeah, I think I need those couple of these bricks. Then we can float it around. Move it around, because now I need to rotate it on the green axis.
Like this. And I'm gonna now copy this a couple of times. This is the brick type. So now not sure if you can see my cursor. I can barely see myself. It's lagging a bit. Now I take the bricks and make a nice fill out for the bricks. And that's a good fit. Maybe it will work with yeah, there's no concrete in there, so probably can take out one. The point is, oops, excuse me. Yeah, so now we're back. As you can see, we laid out dry. So now I know I got room for 4 glass blocks. And then we take many bricks and laid out dry. So now I know how much I have to order to fill this gap. I can also make bigger, probably get it cheaper if I replace these bricks. $90. Remove those. And then and then use one of these. Copy a couple. And then get one of these. I need a cut one, but that's okay. Because one of these is 50 and one of these is 20. Or $5, $5 and $2, so each. So yeah, then I can, then you can calculate. And then we use the same two pieces inside here also on each side. Probably make it stronger also. But then you move this brick and this brick. Then we, whoops. Then we take out this brick. And make a couple more of these. I think that's 560, 190. I think that's will work out good. But remember, there's no concrete here, so it might be a tight fit.
But yeah, now I know. Now I know I need 1, 2, 3, 4 of the narrow big blocks and 3 of the wide one big blocks. Then I can also replace these bricks with 1 big block.
So yeah, that's just the way to use the free Google Sketchup. So thanks for watching, and like or dislike or whatever. Thank you, bye.